Hi guys, it's Nathan here, and today we're talking about section 152 through 190 of the Model WHS Act, and this is on the regulator and WHS inspectors. So the regulator is the government authority that's in charge of regulating health and safety in your jurisdiction. Australia is a federation, which means basically it's a nation that's a collection of states. Under the Constitution, some powers are given to the federal government for things like defence and immigration. Other powers are given to the states for things like healthcare, education, and health and safety in the workplace, or workplace health and safety. So yeah, it's regulated at a state level. Back in I think it was 2008, the states agreed to harmonize. So as you can imagine, it's a nightmare for businesses operating interstate, because it's like you go over the border and now you're subject to a whole new set of health and safety regulations and codes, which could be thousands of pages of compliance material. So all the governments agreed, yes, all the state governments agreed, yes, we're going to harmonize. And then everyone did, over the years, everyone did. The model legislation was published in 2011, came into effect or started being adopted in 2012. Since then, every state has slowly come on board except Victoria. So don't get me started on Victoria, but yeah, it's basically a political, and I think it's the union strongmen down there basically don't like the new act. But yeah, I'm not sure exactly why. But yeah, so there's a different regulator for every state. In Queensland, we have Work Health and Safety Queensland, WHSQ. New South Wales has Safe Work New South Wales. Victoria has WorkSafe Victoria. There's all similar names for all the different regulators interstate. There's also Comcare, which is the national regulator, which covers national employees. It's like, well, who's a national employee? Defence Force personnel, people who work for Border Force and Customs. There's other examples of federal staff, federal workers who are covered by the Comcare Act or Comcare regulator. So what can the regulator do? Basically enforce, provide advice, publish guidance material, publish regulations, and prosecute. So yeah, that's the main things about the regulator. I'm just going to link into my video on the WHS inspectors.